If you need an electric motorcycle that can be legal registered, stable quality, and middle class price to expand your business, I would recommend this COC model. Adjustable rear suspension. Although it's not a heavy motorcycle, we still equipped with dual disc brakes. 4 kilowatt QS motor, 150 ampere fast driver controller, top speed 97 km/h, 55 lithium battery, range 130 km. You're going to build your own electric motorcycle brand. We also support OEM and ODM. Follow our channel for factory working and a new model.